जय माधव मदन मुरारी, राधे श्याम श्याम श्याम। जय केशव काली मलहारी, राधे श्याम श्याम।
श्यामा तेरी आरती, कन्हैया तेरी आरती, सारा संसार करेगा कर जोड़ के। श्यामा तेरी आरती, कन्हैया तेरी आरती, सारा संसार करेगा कर जोड़ के। सारा संसार करेगा कर जोड़, भुलाने के हार करेगा कर जोड़ के। श्यामा तेरी आरती, गोविंदा तेरी आरती, सारा संसार करेगा कर जोड़ के। राधे गोपाला, गोपी गोपाला, मैं हूँ दीनान दुखिया भारी, आया हूँ प्रभु शरण तुम्हारी। मैं हूँ दीनान दुखिया भारी, आया हूँ प्रभु शरण तुम्हारी। रखियो लाज हमार, करेगा कर जोड़ के। श्यामा तेरी आरती, कृष्ण तेरी आरती, राधे गोपाला, गोपी गोपाला। प्रेम सहित जो आरती गावे, श्री राधा गोविंद के पद पावे। प्रेम सहित जो आरती गावे, श्री राधा गोविंद के पद पावे। पाहि सुयश अपार, करेगा कर जोड़ के। श्यामा तेरी आरती, कृष्ण तेरी आरती, सारा संसार करेगा कर जोड़ के। सारा संसार। राधे गोपाला, गोपी गोपाला, श्री राधे गोपाला, गोपी गोपाला। कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय, हरये परमात्मने, प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय, गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। त्वमेव माता च पिता, त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा, त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देवा। We bow in obeisance. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। श्री वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय।
Devoted friends, again I would like to welcome each and every one of you to the forest session.
जय राधे जय कृष्णा जय वृंदावन जय राधे जय कृष्णा जय वृंदावन जय राधे जय कृष्णा
Devotees and friends, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Shreya. Shreya is a good friend of Marcus. She celebrated her birthday today. Marcus celebrated his birthday yesterday. As we're good friends, we would like to wish Shreya a happy birthday and Lord Krishna bless him. Devotees and friends, we will have a wonderful dance as we are getting ready for our main feature presentation by our Reverend Pandit Rajan Balgovind. I would like this is Nataraj Performing Arts Center, not an organization which is close to Marcus, and he loved them. And as I mentioned, everybody who's here, they are here because they're very close to Marcus. So even the dancers, the singers, everyone, even the cooks, the photographers, everybody, they're all special to Marcus. So that is why you're here. I will ask one of the senior teachers of Nataraj to introduce this dance.
Good afternoon, everyone. The dance that I will be performing today is by the Nataraj Kalyans. They will be dancing to Kulave Unade. This dance is a mesmerizing and sacred performance embodying the cosmic rhythm and divine energy of Lord Shiva. This dance is often associated with the Nataraja form of Shiva. The dance begins with a slow, meditative rhythm reflecting the calm and tranquil aspect of Shiva. As the dance progresses, this tempo gradually builds, showcases Shiva's dynamic energy. The climax of the dance features powerful rhythmic stamping and dramatic poses embodies Shiva's role as a cosmic destroyer. Please, everyone, please give your undivided attention to the Nataraj Kalyans.
the Nataraj Kalyanas. Give them another round of applause. Thank you very, very much. Devotees and friends, again, I would like to welcome each and every one of you. Namarvati Pataye Hare Hare Mahadev.
प्रथम पूज्य मंगल मूर्ति भगवान श्री गणेश जी प्रथम ध्यान we're first going to pay obeisance to Bhagwan Shri Ganpati, to Ma Devi, to Kailashpati Bhagwan Shiv Shankar. We're going to sing a few verses of the Govinda Damodar Stotra. We're going to bow down to our Gurus, to the Guru of all Gurus, Shri Hanumanji Maharaj. And we're going to conclude our Mangalachara, our opening prayers, by bowing down to Shri Veda Vyasji. Firstly, our Sanatan Dharma, हमारी परंपरा है
सर्व कल्याण मूर्तिम परशु कमलहस्ता शोभितं मोदकेना अरुण कुसुममाला व्याललम्बोदरं तं मम हृदय निवासं श्रीगणेशं नमामि। सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बिके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। मन्दारमाला कुलतालकाय कपालमालाङ्कृतशेखराय दिव्याम्बराय च दिगम्बराय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय। श्री काशी विश्वेश्वर सांब सदा शिवाय नमः।
We have just completed the first of the 4 holy months, Shravan Mas, Bhadav Mas, Ashwin Mas or Kartik Mas. These are known as the Chatur Mas, they are known as the 4 holy months. We have just completed Shravan Mas, which is dedicated to the worship and the glorification of Baba Bholenath of Mahadev. Now we enter into the second month, and that is Bhadav Mas. Today is the Dvitiya Divas, Dvitiya Tithi. Today is the second day in the beautiful and the auspicious month of Bhadav. What is so special about this month? On the Ashtami Tithi, we're going to observe Shri Krishna Janmashtami. In the Krishna Paksha, in the dark half of the month. In the bright half of the month, on the Chaturthi Tithi, we're going to observe the day of Bhagwan Shri Ganesh Ji's appearance. On the same bright half of this month, on the Ashtami Tithi, we're going to observe Radha Ashtami. We have 3 beautiful festivals in this beautiful month of Bhadav. And as we're approaching Bhagwan Shri Krishna Janmotsav, Krishna Janmashtami, what an honor it is for all of us to be sitting in the company of Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran. Many texts have made its entrance into these grounds. Many texts. The Ramcharitramanas, the Bhagavad Gita, you have had Veda Yajnas here, you have had Jnana Yajnas here also, where various texts were brought into this Arya spiritual ground. Lekin pehli baar, for the first time, Hamari Jajman brought, like Vasudev ji, how he carried baby Krishna on his head, he brought it to Srimad Bhagavad Mahapurana. Hence, my dear ones, when the invitation was extended to me, I could not refuse. Because to immerse ourselves in Srimad Bhagavata Kyoyam Pratyakshaha Krishna Eva Hi. It is the most famous of Veda Vyasa's 18 Puranas. It is the only of the 18 Purana that is known as a Veda. Nigamakal Pataru Ragalitam Phalam Shukumakhadamrita Drava Samyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhurho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavuka. It is considered to be the fifth Vedas, the fifth of the Vedas. This is not an ordinary text, it is an extraordinary text. And whenever we get the opportunity to listen to the Bhagavatam, it doesn't happen by accident. It is a divine plan of the Supreme. And look at the timing where we get the opportunity to listen to Bhagavatam. At the time when the world is going to observe that day when Bhagavan Shri Krishna manifested on this earth. I invite all of you now to let us join together and chant the Govinda Damodar Stotra. In the first shloka, Mother Draupadi makes her pitiful call to Shri Krishna. In the second shloka, she calls him by various names. And we all know that miracle that took place in that scene of the Mahabharata, where Bhagavan Shri Krishna became the textile mill and protected Mother Draupadi. The gopi goes out to sell her pots of milk, but her mind was so absorbed in the lotus feet of Shri Krishna that instead of calling out she has milk for sale, she cried out, Govinda Damodar Madhavite Agre Kurunam Atha Pandavanam Dushasanena Ritavastra Kesha Krishna Tadakro Shahadam Janatha Govinda Damodar Madhavete Govinda Damodar Govinda Krishna Vishnu Madhuketa Bhare
दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति सच्चिदानंद रूपाय विश्वोत्पत्त्यादिहेतवे तापत्रय विनाशाय श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नुमः बढ़ापीडं नटवरवपुः कारणयो कर्णिकारम् बिभ्रतं वासकनककपिशं वैजयन्तीं च मालाम् रन्ध्राणवेणोरधर सुधया पूरयन् गोपवृन्द्यैर्वृन्दारण्यं स्वपदरमणं प्राविशद गीतकीर्तिः श्री बद्रीनारायण भगवान की जय श्री अनंत पद्मनाभ स्वामी की जय श्री जगन्नाथ जी महाराज की जय श्री द्वारकाधीश भगवान की जय वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय अखंड मंडलाकारम
तस्मै श्री गुरु
वर्णो रघुवर विमल यश
जोदायक फल
बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके
सुमिरो पवन कुमार
बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि
हरहु कलेश सविता
मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी द्रवौ सुदशरथ अजिर बिहारी जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई पवन तनय संकट हरण
मंगल मूर्ति रूप राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसहु सुरभूप
नमोस्तुते व्यास विशाल बुद्धि फुल्लारविन्दयत पत्र नेत्र येन त्वया भारत तैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमय प्रदीपः व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः श्री सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की जय श्री हनुमान जी महाराज की जय श्री सद्गुरु महाराज की जय श्री वेद व्यास जी भगवान की जय। मंगल मूर्ति भगवान श्री गणेश जी को प्रणाम करते हुए और humble obeisance to the lotus feet of Bhagwan Shri Ganpati, Shivatale Varishtam Sarva Kalyan Murtim, the embodiment of Kalyan, the embodiment of auspiciousness itself. Parashu Kamala Hasta Shobhitam Modakena, Parashu Kamala Hasta Shobhitam Modakena, who holds with his hands the lotus flower, he holds the axe, and he holds the sweetest rewards of life, the modaka. So that Bhagwan Shri Ganpati, we bow down to him. We bow down to Mata Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati. We bow down to Mahadevi. We just observed on Monday night the 5th Shravan Somvar, the 5th Monday in the auspicious month of Shravan, which is wholesomely dedicated to the worship of Baba Bholenath. सावन का महीनवा भइले बाटे सोर, हे भर भर कांवरिया लेके, हे बाबा तोरे ओर। सावन का महीनवा भइले बाटे सोर। Bowing down to Baba Bholenath, what can Mahadev not grant to us, my dear ones? Srimad Bhagavatam says there is no other river that can be compared to the celestial Ganga. There is no other Devata who can be compared to Achyuta, to Shri Krishna. And there is no other Vaishnava who can be compared to Shambhu, who can be compared to Bhagavan Shiva. We take the blessings of Baba Bholenath, and we officially now entered into the month of Bhadav, and as we make preparation for the welcome of Bhagavan Shri Krishna, the 8th incarnation of Bhagavan Shri Hari. When you look at the way the number 8 is written in English, if you were to take the number 8 and turn it sideways, it becomes a sign of infinity. It becomes a sign of infinity. He who has no beginning, he who has no middle, he who has no end. Purana Purushottama Bhagavan Shri Hari, Bhagavan Shri Krishna. Imagine imagine our world without Shri Krishna. Imagine if the Lord had not taken this particular avatars. There would have been no Mahabharata. There would have been no Bhagavad Mahapuran. There would have been no Bhagavad Gita without Sri Krishna. There would have been no Mirabai. There would have been no Surdas, the great Vaishnava saints of Bharat, from Tukaram to Janabai to the ones from the state of Maharashtra. We would not know any of them had it not Sri Krishna coming into the world. And as we are making our preparation for the 25th and the 26th, everything about him, as my Guruji would say, is awesome. Everything about him is simply awesome. We humans celebrate one day for our birthdays. Bhagavan, he gets two. He gets a day that is referred to as the Smarta celebration, and the second day is known as the Vaishnava celebration. Who are the Smarta and who are the Vaishnavas? Smarta Hindus, this is the majority of us who hails from the Bhojpuri belt, who hails from Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. We fall into the category of Smarta Hindu. S-M-A-R-T-A. It's a Sanskrit word. It means we worship the divine in its 5 most dynamic aspects. We do Ganesh Puja, we do Durga Puja, we do Shiv Puja, we do Vishnu Bhagwan's Puja and his incarnations, and we do Surya Deva's Puja. We are Smarta Hindus. But then you have a sect of people that are called Vaishnavas. They only worship Shri Hari. They will not do Durga Puja, they will not do Ganesh Puja, they will not do Shiv Puja. So they have a day exclusively for them to worship Shri Hari. This is why, people often say, well, which day is Janmashtami? Oh, and they often blame us Pandits. You Pandits can't seem to make up your mind. Well, I'm telling you the significance of both days. I'm giving you the significance of both days. We're not confusing anyone. We're giving you and we're spewing out information. Smarta Hindus and Vaishnava Hindus. Smarta Hindus are the ones, just like the puja baby that you see here. You see Ganeshji is consecrated, Devi is consecrated, Shiva is consecrated. This is what Smarta Hindus will engage in. A Vaishnava is one who will worship only Sri Hari, Vishnu Bhagwan and his incarnations. So you have 2 days. Which one is correct, which one is incorrect? Both are correct. If you wish to celebrate on Sunday night or you wish to celebrate on Monday night, both, my dear ones, equally are correct. We bow down to Bhagwan Sri Krishna, who is no other than the Lord of Vaikuntha, Bhagwan Sri Lakshmi Narayan, and the Lord of Ayodhya, Bhagwan Sri Sitaramji. We take the blessings of our gurus, take the blessings of your parents, take the blessings of your Diksha Guru, your Vidya Guru, your Satguru, and to the Guru of all Gurus, Sri Hanumanji Maharaj. And we have to pay obeisance to Veda Vyasji, who has given us the Bhagavad Mahapurana. This is a sequence of our opening prayers. In our presence, our respected Panditjis, Pandit Mahanand Sharma ji, Pandit Tilak Siratan ji, Pandit Dubey ji sitting in the back, and devotees all who have gathered here. This our first session of 4 sessions of Bhagavad Mahima. ये संपूर्ण भागवत कथा नहीं है. This is not a complete Bhagavad Katha. A complete Bhagavad Katha is done in 7 days. You need 7 sessions in order for it to be coined, for it to be called a Bhagavad Katha. So I said to Vijayji, this is Bhagavad Mahima. This is the greatness of this text, which our Jajman, my dear ones, is giving us all the opportunity, giving us all the blessed opportunity, Bhagavata Pan Karte, for us to partake of this nectarian-like teachings of the Bhagavad Mahapurana. On behalf of Shriman Marcus Bisramji, I welcome each and every one of you. This is the first of 4 sessions. I'm extremely grateful, extremely thankful when youngsters like these, when people in our Hindu Samaj, individuals and families within our Hindu Samaj, gets inspired to host Katha. Because Katha is going to yield among many things. Machita madgata prana bodhayantaha parasparam kathayantascha mam nityam tushyanti cha ramanti cha. There are a few verses of the Gita I'll be sharing with you for these 4 sessions. Please make a mental note of them. Please, in your spare time, pick up your Bhagavad Gita and read these verses. This is Bhagwan speaking to us. It's not to say that he spoke in the past and that's the end of his conversation. No. Bhagwan continues to speak today and he will continue to speak into the future. Chapter 10, verse 9. Chapter 10, verse 9. Even if you can't remember chapter 10, verse 9, just remember 109. And when you go back home, please read chapter 10, verse 9. Bhai Marcusji, what has Bhagwan said in that beautiful verse? Machita madgata prana bodhayantaha parasparam kathayantascha mam nityam tushyanti cha ramanti cha. Man is constantly seeking happiness. Man is constantly seeking contentment. And Arjuna, I will tell you of a means by which man can gain happiness and he can gain contentment, which is not short-lived, but which will linger on for a very long time in the lives of those who will engage in it, and that is Katha. Bhagavan says, Kathayantascha mam nityam. Speak about me. Educate the world about me. Give to the world the values which I represent. Ram ke gun gun chiran राम गुण सुमिरन रतन धन मनुजता को कर विभूषित. Decorate your lives with what? Not with just pieces of jewelry, not with just nice clothing, not with fragrant scents, but decorate your life with values. Rama ke guna guna chirantana, Rama guna sumirana ratana dhana, manujata ko kar vibhusit, manuja ko dhanavad kariye. Everybody wants to make themselves rich, and no one will lose the opportunity to increase their material wealth. No one will, my dear ones, want to give up the opportunity and the chance to increase their material wealth. But don't forget, there's another wealth that needs to grow in our lives. There's another wealth that we need, my dear ones, to acquire, and that is the wealth of values. The wealth of sanskar. The wealth of sanskar. And whether you listen to the Ramcharitramanas, when you listen to the Bhagavad Mahapuran, it is the same values Bhagavan bestows upon us. I can only pray and hope that our Judgment, may he continue to grow in Dharma, may he continue to be inspired to do good things, may he continue to be inspired to walk the path of Dharma, and whenever it's possible that he could pool his resources and strength together, that he can bring us to a ghat like we are here tonight, to quench our thirst. Savare se milne ka satsang hi bahana hai. Savare se milne ka satsang hi bahana hai. Chalo satsang mein chale, hame hari gun gaana hai. सत्संग ही बहाना है, चलो सत्संग में चले, हमें हरि गुण गाना है, सावरे से मिलने का. मीरा पुकार आओ मेरे गिरधारी, मीरा पुकार रही, आओ मेरे गिरधारी, विश्व भर प्यारे को, विश्व भर प्यारे को अमृत में बनाना है, सावरे से मिलने का सत्संग बहाना है, सावरे से मिलने का. शबरी पुकार रही, आओ मेरे रघुराई, खट्टे मीठे बैरों का, खट्टे मीठे बैरों का प्रभु भोग लगाना है, सावरे से मिलने का सत्संग ही बहाना है, चलो सत्संग में चले, हमें हरि
सावरे से, हाजी सावरे से, हाजी सावरे से मिलने का। It is now 8:58 p.m. This is the usual time I say my closing prayers. Have to bear with me tonight, because that's the one thing I don't like to be blamed for, that I've taken too long for my satsanga. Okay? But generally speaking, for those who are familiar with attending a katha or officiating, by 9 p.m. is closing prayers. But I've not even touched the Bhagavatam yet. And I've been invited here by Shriman Marcus Ji to recite the Bhagavad Mahapuran, and thus I have to do justice to this text. If I don't, then it means your sankalpa is incomplete, and I cannot allow that. So let's begin, my dear ones. I made mention to you, this is one of Veda Vyasa's 18 Puranas. It is the most famous of the 18 Puranas. It is the only Purana of the 18 Puranas that holds the status of the 5th Veda. This is a book, my dear ones, I often tell devotees, it is a life-giving text, it is a life-saving text, it is a boon-granting text, it is a text that will grant you your heart's desire. It's not an ordinary book, Srimad Bhagavad Ji. It's not an ordinary book. To give praises to this text, another Purana, we take an excerpt from the Padma Purana. The Padma Purana is going to sing the praises of the Bhagavad Mahapurana. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Satchidananda Rupaya Vishwotpatyadihetave Tapatraya Vinashaya Shri Krishnaya Vayum Numah Yam Pravajantam Peta Peta Krityam Dvaipayano Viharatatar Ajuhava Putreti Tanmataya Taravo Bhinedustam Sarvabhuta Hridayam Munimanatosmi Ajnana Dhvanta Vidhvansa Koti Surya Samaprabha Suthatyahi Katha Saram Mama Karana Rasayanam Bhakti Jnana Viragato Viveko Vardhate Mahan Maya Mohani Rascha Vaishnave Kriyate Kathim. We bow down to that Supreme Lord. Everybody wants to know, जानना चाहते हैं कि भगवान जी कौन है? Who is God? And let us not take the Western interpretation of who is God. Let us look at Bharat. Let us look at the way Bharat, when I say Bharat, Bharat means India. That is the original name of India, even if you don't know that. The original name of India is Bharat. When the foreigners came, they named it India. There's a drive right now to bring back the original name of India to Bharat. So let's not look at how the West defines God, but let us look at how Bharat defines God. Sat, Chit, Ananda. 3 beautiful words combined to make one. Sat. God is truth and truth is God. That's one. Chit. Chitta means pure consciousness. Absolutely pure, unadulterated consciousness. Chitta. And third, Ananda. किसी ने मुझसे पूछा, महाराज जी ने मुझसे पूछा आपके श्रावण कैसा था? तो मैंने he asked me how was my Shravan. I said, Panditji, it was just Anand hi Anand. It was just bliss, bliss and bliss. Some of you may think going to an exotic place for a vacation is bliss. Some of you may think attending a social is bliss.
Maybe sometimes you should join me and I'll show you what is real bliss. The bliss of satsang, the bliss of glorifying Bhagwan, the bliss of the worship of the Supreme. No other bliss can be compared to that. Ananda Rupa hai Bhagwan. He is the embodiment of joy. Sat, Chit, Anand. You put these three words together, you get one word, Satchidanand. Padma Puran says, this is the Lord whose katha we'll be immersing ourselves into. Satchidananda Rupaya Vishwopatyadi Hetave. The one who has created this world, Vishwopatyadi Hetave. The one who has created this world, the one who is sustaining this world, and the one who ultimately will pave the way for a new world. Tapatraya Vinashaya. Tapatraya Vinashaya. There are three causes, there are three roots to your problems. Do you know that? There are three. You don't need an astrologer to tell you this. I'm going to tell you. There are three causes to your problem. First and foremost, you yourself. Number one. Okay? Number two, not everybody is your friend. Okay? Not everyone is your friend. You have known enemies and you have unknown enemies. Okay? Don't fool yourself. And don't be fooled. Be prepared. Be prepared. Okay? There are three entities that can create havocs in our lives. One is you yourself. Number two are our enemies. And number three, natural calamities and natural disasters. Tapatraya Vinashaya. The one who, my dear ones, can save us from our own selves causing harm to ourselves. One who can save us from our enemies, and one who can save us in natural disasters. Padma Puran is going to give him a name. And the one who can save us all is called Krishna Jin ka naam hai, Gokul Jin ka dhaam hai, aise Shri Bhagwan ko, aise Shri Bhagwan ko, बारंबार प्रणाम है, बारंबार प्रणाम है। यशोदा जिनकी मैया है, नंद झूमा मैया है। यशोदा जिनकी मैया है, नंद झूमा मैया है। ऐसे श्री गोपाल को, ऐसे श्री गोपाल को, बारंबार प्रणाम है, बारंबार प्रणाम। Tapatraya Vinashaya. We want to know who is the Supreme that can save us from our own self. Technical difficulties. Hold on. It happens in the biggest of events, right? Not a छोटे मोटे event. So please bear with us. Sometimes I wish when I would see on social media youngsters who have taken their lives, when I would see TikTok videos are being made of funerals for young people who died at their own hands. Sometimes I wish these children would have known that they could have knocked on Bhagwan's doors 25 hours a day, 8 days a week. I wish they knew that. Instead of committing the ultimate crime towards themselves. You may think Bhagwan doesn't help, he doesn't save. Wrong. Chatur vidham bhajante imam ye jana sukritino arjuna artho jigyasu artharthi jnani cha bharatar shava. Bhagwan Shri Krishna says, Gita ji sang it very beautifully when she said in one of her bhajans that मैं आया तेरे द्वारे बचा ले भगवान मैं आया तेरे द्वारे बचा ले भगवान हाथ जोड़ कर विनती करता है बालक नादान मैं आया तेरे द्वारे बचा ले भगवान मैं आया तेरे द्वारे. You may think of it, oh, a mere movie song. It's just a song which an artist has put on record, but no. Bhagwan says, those who come to me in moments of distress, I will save you. I will save you. See? Bhagavad Mahapuran, Padma Puran is going to call him Krishna. The one who can save us from our own selves, from causing harm to ourselves. And if you have never faced an enemy before, trust you me, one day or the other you will. One day or the other you will. Who knew, my dear ones, in 2001, September 11th, and probably months before that date, or maybe years even before, what devious plans were being made. What devious plans were being made. I hope you all remember that date, right? And you should never forget it. Never forget it. There are people who are planning daily attacks on us also. There are people who are planning it. And sometimes they do it physically, sometimes they do it verbally, and sometimes now they all have a weapon in their hand called a phone. Isn't that true? They all have access to social media. They all have access to social media. There was a time I remember our pundits would encourage our community to spread understanding, to spread quote unquote the 4-letter word called love, to spread friendship. Today, when I look at how some are using social media, it's not to spread friendship. It is not to spread love. It is used to spread hate. Isn't it? It is used to spread hate, absolute hate. And when you do that, and if you engage in that, you're not offending your mother and father, you're not offending your school teachers, you're offending Krishnam Vande Jagat Gurum, because Bhagwan says, Adveshta Sarva Bhutanam Maitreya Karuna Evacha Nirmamo Nirahankara Samadukha Sukha Shumi. Bhagwan says, don't hate anyone. You are directly offending Bhagwan when you spread hate, because Sri Krishna says in Gita, do not hate anyone. Seek to make friends with others. Seek to bridge gaps. And not build walls. And not build walls. Bhakti Jano. Tapatraya Vinashaya. May He save us from ourselves, from making bad decisions. May He save us from our enemies. And may He save us from the wrath of nature. Bhagavatam calls Him Krishna. Bhagavatam calls Him Krishna. Who is the writer of the Bhagavatam? His name is Veda Vyasa. Veda Vyasa had a glorious son. His name is Shukadev Mahamuni. Shukadev. One day this young lad, Shukadeva, Yam Pravajanta Anupeta Peta Krityam Dvaipayano Viraha Katara Ajuhava. Shukadeva was walking away from his father, Veda Vyasa. And Veda Vyasji wanted to embrace his son, wanted to hold on to his son, wanted to shower his paternal affection onto Shukadeva. But Shukadeva is walking away. Because why? What is the quality of the speaker of the Bhagavatam? The writer is Veda Vyasa, but the speaker is going to be Shukadeva Mahamuni. Shukadeva Mahamuni, my dear ones, is one who is in communion with the Supreme. He has no worldly attachment whatsoever. He's not even attached to his father, Veda Vyasa. Just to tell us briefly the quality of Shukadeva Mahamuni. He is one who is in union with the Supreme. Bhagavatam tells us there's a great meeting that is taking place. Naimishe Sutamasina Bhavavyad Mahamatim Kathamrita Rasa Swada Kushalaha Shaunako Bravit. I often commend our community from time to time for utilizing this venue. This is our venue for Navratri, Sharad Navratri. This is the venue for Ram Katha. This is the venue for Ganesh Chaturthi Utsav. This is the venue that is used for Veda Yajna. So many wonderful events, blessed events. This particular venue is used. There is a place called Naimisharanya. In Naimisharanya, you have a great meeting that is taking place. You have Suji, he is going to be the main speaker, and Shaunak Adi Rishi. Shaunakji heads thousands of rishis. They're going to approach Suji and they want from him Kathamrita Rasa Swada Kushalaha Shaunako Bravit. Kathamrita Rasa Swada Kushalaha Shaunako Bravit. They're going to approach Suji and they're going to say to Suji, we want Katha. Suji Maharaj, hame Katha ka ras paan pila do. Feed us the nectarian teachings of Katha. It is your knowledge, when we do Vyas Puja, when a speaker is invited, we Sanatanis, we Hindus have a very special way of welcoming them. Okay? We welcome them cordially, we wash their feet, we may place a garland around their neck, we may place the tilakam on their forehead, we will escort them to their asana, okay? We will escort them to their seat, right? Do you think you're adoring the person? Do you think you are adoring the individual? Bhagavatam says no. When you perform Vyas Puja, you are not worshipping the Pandit. You're not worshipping the Vyas. You are bowing down to the knowledge that has now come in your presence. Can we understand this? You are giving honor and due respect to the knowledge that has now come in your presence. Kyuki Ajnana Dhvanta Vidvansa Koti Surya Samaprabha Suthatyahi Katha Saram Mama Karana Rasayanam. Shaunak Adi Rishi says, we bow down to you, O Suji Maharaj. Your knowledge is equivalent to the billions of rays of the sun, that wherever the rays of the sun goes, it dispels darkness. Therefore, the knowledge that you're going to impart to us is going to dispel the ignorance of our minds. So when we show homage and we show honor to a speaker, please don't think you're worshipping the Pandits. You're honoring the Gyan, you're honoring the knowledge that personality is going to impart onto you. They bow down to Suji. They said to Suji, Bhakti Jnana Viragaptu Viveko Varghate Mahan Maya Mohani वीराश्च वैष्णवे क्रियते कथम्. Suji Maharaj, we want katha today. Today our ears are longing to listen to Mama Karuna Rasayanam. Chandra Santan will say her tongue is thirsty. Right? See, she said she nods yes. Some of us, our eyes get thirsty. We want to see dunya ko dikhane ke liye or dekhne ke liye. We want to go and see the world. What about your ears? Don't your ears get thirsty? And please don't let it get thirsty to listen about other people. See? Don't let it get thirsty to listen to gossip. Let your ears feast on Mamakarana Rasayanam, Kathasa. Let your ears get thirsty to listen to Prabhu's Charitra, Prabhu's Katha. This is going to enhance our devotion, bhakti. And don't underestimate bhakti. Bhakti is a very powerful force. Your devotion is an extremely, extremely powerful force. Okay? It is a force that will rejuvenate you, resuscitate you. It is a force that will keep you going in this world. Bhakti. Gyan. Bhagavatam is going to strengthen our devotion. Bhagavatam is going to educate us. It is going to enlighten us. Or Vairagya. And Bhagavatam is going to give us the ability to generate this passion, my dear ones. Non-attachment. As the story goes, as the Katha goes, Narad Muni meets his four brothers, the Sanat Kumaras. The Sanat Kumaras are looking at Narad Muni. Ekadahi vishalayam chatvararashayo mala satsangartham samayata dadashu tatra naradam. For the sake of satsanga, the Sanat Kumaras are meeting in a very special place called Badrinath. Very special place in North India that is called Badrinath. There they meet their brother Narad. And Narad is not looking his usual self. Katham brahmadina mukha kutascha chanvataro bhavana tvaritam gamyate putra kutascha chagamanam tava katham brahmadina mukha. Hey Brahmaputra Naradji, why you have this long face? Why you're not looking your usual self? Something is wrong, na? Kuch hua hai kya? The brothers are asking him. Because Narad Muni is somebody who is always in a happy state, in a satsangi state. Wherever he goes, Narayana Narayana Jai Jai Govinda Hare. Narayana Narayana Jai Jai Gopal Hare. Narayana Narayana Jai Jai Govinda Hare. Narayana Narayana Jai Jai Gopal Hare. Narayana Narayana Jai Jai Govinda Hare. Narayana Narayana Jai Jai Gopal Hare. Narayana Narayana Jai Jai Govinda Hare. Narayana Narayana Jai Jai Gopal Hare. Narayana Narayana Jai Jai Govinda Hare. Narayana Narayana Jai Jai Gopal Hare. Narad Muni is always in a state of ecstasy because he's in communion with Sri Hari Vishnu Bhagavan. So the brothers sees him looking very sad. And they approach him and say, Naradji, kya hua? What is wrong? Why are you looking so sad? When we meet tomorrow night, you'll find out why. Okay? When we meet tomorrow evening for a second session, you'll get to know why Narad Muni is sad. Just going to make one humble request for tomorrow evening, that My dear Bhai Vijay Visramji, that bhajan and sankirtan please commence at 7 p.m. to 7:30. By 7:45, I need the time for Katha. Because if I don't get this time, then Bhai Marcus, Sankalpa will not be complete. Then I will not be able to do justice to the Bhagavad. We have brought the Bhagavad in our midst. It's a text that we don't get an opportunity to listen to very often. It's rarely read in our community. And this, to be given this 4 beautiful sessions right before the observance of Krishna Janmashtami, ye hamare saubhagya hai. This is our great fortune. China lehas ke sabkai man, sakhiri meo radharaman. Tonight, I just explained to you who is the supreme in Sanatana Dharma. Sat Chit Ananda Rupa Satchidananda, the creator of this world, the sustainer of this world, the one who paves the way for a new creation, one who can save us from our own self, save us from our enemies, save us from the wrath of nature. He is called Krishna. The quality of the speaker, that is Shukadeva. Shukadeva, the son of Vedavyasa, is one who is in constant communion with Shri Hari. The great meeting takes place in Naimisharanya. Shaunak Adi Rishi approaches Suji and says to him, our ears are thirsty for Katha and we want to enhance our devotion. Swami, we want to enhance our devotion. We want to be educated, we want to be enlightened, and we want to generate non-attachment in our lives. Suji begins by telling them about the meeting of Narad Muni and his 4 brothers. The 4 brothers says to Narad Muni, why the sad face? And when we meet tomorrow evening, we'll continue. Now I know the ones who are responsible for this decor. I know the ones who are responsible for captivating the attention of our eyes. And have they not done a wonderful job, my dear ones? These are these are artists. First time, Bhagwan Sri Radha Krishna stands in the center of the sanctum here at the Irish spiritual ground. You have been here to see Ma Durga, you have been here to see Sri Ramachandra. So imagine how happy I am that my Krishna, your Krishna, Krishnam Vande Jagat Gurum, is going to capture your attention vision-wise through your eyes. छीन ले हंस के सब कायम सखी मेरो राधा रमन मेरो राधा रमन ही राधा रमन मेरो राधा रमन ही छीन ले हंस के सब कायम सखी मेरो राधा
बचपन, थोड़ा बचपन है थोड़ा मन, सखे मेरो राधा रमन, छिनरे हंस के सब गाय मन, सखे मेरो राधा रमन, राधा रमन मेरो राधा रमन रे, राधा रमन मेरो राधा रमन रे, छीनले हंस के, छीनले हंस के, छीनले हंस के सब गाय मन, सखे मेरो राधा रमन, छीनले हंस के सब गाय मन, सखी रे मेरो राधा रमन. I sincerely hope that whatever your eyes have been feasting on, Sake, with a smile on his face, Sabkaya Man, he would have stolen your minds and he would bring you back here tomorrow evening for our second session. Want to thank all of you for taking the time off and being here with us on behalf of our judgment, by Marcus Bisramji. We are very, very thankful and very grateful to him to giving us this opportunity. I would have been in Guyana and I would have had a Bhagavad Mahapuran being broadcasted online, and thousands of you would have sat in front of the TV or your iPad and you would have enjoyed the Bhagavatam, you know. But to be in person with the Bhagavatam, it's a totally different experience. To be in person of the Bhagavad Mahapuran. We are thankful, Marcus Ji. Bhagavan Shri Krishna's choicest blessings will come closer to Krishna Janmashtami. You're going to see how we will celebrate Nanda Ke Ananda Bhayo Jai Kadhaya Lal Ki. May all of you grow from strength to strength, prosperity to prosperity, joy to joy, and may you experience all that which is good in life. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Partho Dhanudharaha, Tatra Shir Vijayo Bhutir, Druvani Ter Matir Mama. Bhagavad Kripasi, we meet again tomorrow evening for our second session. Please remember the first verse I gave you of the Gita tonight, and that is chapter 10, verse 9. Please go and read that verse and you will know the value of Katha. You will know what we gain when we listen to Katha, when we host a Katha, when we attend a Katha, when we participate in a Katha. Jai Shri Krishna to all of you. Vijay.
MC, please put your hands together with him. And a louder round of applause for Vyasji Maharaj. I'm going to stand right. I'd like to back to Vyas. I have to respect him. Bhagavat Katha humko pyara, Bhagavat Katha sabko pyara. Our Vyasji talks about the love. That when we enter this congregation here, this pilgrimage, this temple, then only love must be shared, hugs and kisses. And this is what the Lord Bhagavan Shri Krishna, you see, stand in the center indeed, and watching all of us to see how much love we have to share. It reminds me of a beautiful poem. I fill my heart with love one day. Unto all I met, I give them away. Although I give to all I met, my heart is still the fullest yet. Isn't this a beautiful poem? Can you all repeat it after me? I fill my heart with love one day.
I fill my heart with love one day.
Unto all I met, I give them away.
To all I met, I give them away.
Although I give to all I met,
Although I give to all I met,
my heart is still the fullest yet.
my heart is still the fullest yet.
Didn't you feel wonderful? Didn't you feel that the love keep flowing in your heart? Well, look at the person left of you and tell him I love you.
I love you.
Look at the person right of you and tell him I love you.
I love all of you guys. I love all of you.
Isn't this a wonderful feeling? This is what the Bhagavad Gita brings to us, the beautiful love for each other. And you can give each other a little hug too, that's fine. Can you do that? Okay, goodbye. Well, we have all gathered here to celebrate the birthday of a handsome young man, my good friend Marcus. 35 years of congenial life upon the surface of this earth. Please put your hands together for him looking so sharp and young. When he celebrated his 30th, I believe, he is, as Vijay mentioned, I will not take much of your time, right? I guarantee you, because we're already running late. He has contributed to our humanitarian organization. And the contribution he made, we took everything and we traveled to Trinidad. We spent about a week and we visited from north to south, looking for all the lesser fortunate people, the family, who are, needed. And we distribute food hampers, over 300 homes. And the hamper that we give, feed them for 2 weeks, a family of 4 for 2 weeks. And this is all a contribution from our dear brother that he contributed towards our organization, and we did the work. And it so happened that it was at this very time, in August, he was in Guyana and he was traveling back on his birthday to the United States, and he dropped in and spent a night there with us, and we celebrated his 30th birthday right in Trinidad. So put your hands together for our dear brother here with his selfless service to humanity. And this is what is expressed in our scripture. The centrality of charity is adequately expressed in the Bhagavad Gita, the Bhagavad Puran, the Ramayana. That is to do good to others. This is our main objective as human beings, to be kind human, be kind to others. And so we have a very great friendship, relationship in humanitarianism. And he told me, Balaji, after I celebrate my 35th, he will continue full swing again in his humanitarian work. So I hope he fulfills his expectations and his promises. And we all are very proud of you. Birth is a gift from God, and our gift back to the Lord is what we do with our life. This is what matters, and what he's doing, he is exceeding and excelling to the highest capacity that so many individuals and family, he has put smile on their faces. So I thank you very much. I thank Reverend Vyasji for delivering such a great message and opening his katha with the word love. Let us, throughout this year and throughout your life, practice that love, because when you fill your heart with love, there wouldn't be any space for hate. Imagine that, right? If you fill your barrel with water, no air will come in, right? Similarly, fill your heart with love, there wouldn't be any space for hate. So, with love from my heart to yours, and from Marcus to yours, I say, Jai Shri Krishna. Thank you very much.
How filled I feel right now walking into this compound which was converted into a temple. The ambience, the atmosphere that has been created here, the hands are blessed, and it's all thanks to our dear brother Marcus Bistrom. Very rare you find people have a vision to celebrate and to give thanks to God on their birthday. And Panditji said many things tonight, and I hope that one of the things that you take away with you, that our ears should listen to positivity all the time, and not to allow our ear to be filled with trash. We should always not let it be a trash can, let it be filled with love. If you're hearing negativity, just pretend you don't hear it. always, always fill your life with positivity. That's what life is about. Positivity and have faith in God. And we're very blessed to have Panditji here. He is a great, great devotee of Bhagavan Krishna, which we all know. And I know he's very pleased with what he has seen here that has been created. And I know the love he has in his heart for Sri Krishna. And I can see the smile. I know his heart is filled as well. And I think he wants to say something.
Gita ji, I'm not sure if she's my student or I'm her student. Sandra, you ran away. Sandra Nandala, come here. Come here. Come. Like I said, I'm not sure if she's my guru or I am her guru. But usually speaking, you're afraid of your guru when you don't match the guru's expectation. And she's sometimes like that. So she knows what my expectation will be. I know that our judgment and all of the attendees will have absolutely not a single issue with what this lovely lady and her team will put together for us. Please give Sandra a big round of applause. Many years ago, I attended a funeral right here in Richmond Hill. The amount of flowers I saw in that funeral home, it touched me, but it also ached my heart because I wanted to see these flowers in a mandir. I didn't want to see them decorating a funeral home. And this goes back some 20 years that I started encouraging mandirs, please take off the fake garlands from around the Murti's neck and please put a real garland around his neck, because pushpam, one of the 16 steps in puja, one is pushpam, one is flowers. And Sandra, once again, you bring Ma every Navratri to us, and I'm so happy to see my Bihari-ji, my Krishna Bhagwan here for us. Gita-ji, thank you.
Thank you, Panditji. Please, one more time, give Sandraji and her team a big round of applause. And trust me, to create an ambience like this takes a lot of love and devotion for what you're doing. And that we can see that. Thank you very much. In life, we're all filled with so many challenges, but once we have our faith in God and we never lose that, we will get through anything in our lives. And I know we're here to celebrate Marcus's birthday, and once again, I'm extremely proud of you for doing this to make everyone happy as well and to be with you on your amazing birthday. And I know Shreya also is celebrating her birthday today. Happy birthday to you as well, Shreya. I was asked to sing this special birthday song for you, which I know you love, and thank you for allowing me to sing this birthday song to you. But before I do that, I'd just like to thank my mom for being here with me tonight. Thank you, Mom. I love you. I know you're going through a lot, but I love you and thank you for being here with me. So I'm not singing this alone, okay? Everyone has to sing with me. Everyone has to sing with me because we're all singing for the birthday boy, Marcus Bisram. He has created everything so beautifully for us. So we will be singing, not me. We will be singing for him, okay? And also for Shreya as well. Happy birthday. Oh, and of course, let's give Vaishali a big round of applause for doing such an amazing job. Thank you, Vaishali. Created such a beautiful atmosphere as well. Thank you. So everyone has to sing with me, okay? I'm not doing this alone. Om Nang Se Farishte Tujhse Kaisa Naata Kaise Ye Dil Farishte फरिश्ते तुझसे कैसा नाता, कैसे दिल के रिश्ते, हंसे फरिश्ते। Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. I cannot hear your voices. You have to sing, okay? Happy birthday, Marcus. May God bless you forever.
Thank you very much, Pete. Devils and friends, Marcus have a wonderful team that work very closely with him. An entire team, most ladies, older ladies, a bunch of older ladies, a young guy with a bunch of older ladies. They work very close with him. Oh no, they're not young. Oh, I'm sorry. Pandit, tell me, especially you, Pandit, tell me if I say that. Chandra Singh. Chandra is one of Marcus. Isn't a right hand, but both right and left hand. Now, all of them, they have wonderful, Chandra, Meena, Sandra, everybody else. There's so many of them. Marcus will call them out maybe Saturday night. But he have a wonderful team work with him for this Yajna. Wonderful team work very closely with him. They cook, they clean, they do everything. So we would like to thank them on behalf of Marcus for their wonderful job for the first session of this Yajna. And we would like you to participate in the food before you leave today. Every one of you to stay back, eat, mingle and talk and meet friends or whatever. And remember, tomorrow evening we start promptly at 6:45. So tell your friends, tell your family, come out for the second session of this wonderful Bhagavad Yajna. We have seating there. You can come over back with your food over this way. If there's not much seating over there, but there is seating. So we have wonderful food boards and prepared for each and every one of you. Panditji, on behalf of Marcus, we would like to thank you very much for the first session. I know you traveled, you came in 3 a.m. this morning. I tried to call him, this man was sleeping. Now he came in like 3, 4 a.m. this morning, so I waited until he woke up and
श्यामा तेरी आरती कन्हैया तेरी आरती सारा संसार करेगा कर जोर के सारा संसार करेगा कर जोर के राधे गोपाला गोपी गोपाला राधे गोपाला गोपी गोपाला सिर पर सोना मुकुट विराजे गले में जंती माला साजे सिर पर सोना मुकुट विराजे कल में जंती माला साजे और फूलन के हार कारिगा कर जोड़ के श्यामा तेरी आरती गोविंदा तेरी आरती सारा संसार करेगा कर जोड़ के सारा संसार करेगा कर जोड़ के राधे गोपाल राधे गोपाल राधे गोपाल ब्रह्मादिक तेरो यश गावे नारद शारद ध्यान लगावे ब्रह्मादिक तेरो यश गावे नारद शारद ध्यान लगावे और करे जय जयकार कारिका कर जोड़ के श्यामा तेरी आरती कमला तेरी आरती सारा संसार करेगा कर जोड़ के सारा संसार करेगा कर जोड़ के राधे गोपाल गोपी गोपाल राधे गोपाल गोपी गोपाल मैं हूँ दीनल दुखिया भारी आया हूँ प्रभु शरण तुम्हारी मैं हूँ दीनल दुखिया भारी आया हूँ प्रभु शरण तुम्हारी रखियो लाज हमार कारिका कर जोड़ के श्यामा तेरी आरती कृष्ण तेरी आरती सारा संसार करेगा कर जोड़ के सारा संसार करेगा कर जोड़ के राधे गोपाल गोपी गोपाल राधे गोपाल गोपी गोपाल गोविंद गोपाल हे नंद लाला गोविंद गोपाल हे नंद लाला गोविंद गोपाल हे ब्रज भाला गोविंद गोपाल हे ब्रज भाला राधे गोपाल गोपी गोपाल राधे गोपाल गोपी गोपाल राधे गोपाल गोपी गोपाल राधे गोपाल गोपी गोपाल श्री राधे 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 गोपाल राधे 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 गोपाल श्री राधे 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 गोविंदा श्री राधे 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 गोविंदा श्री राधे गोविंद भज मन श्री राधे गोविंद भज मन श्री राधे श्री राधे गोविंद भज मन श्री राधे गोविंद भज मन श्री राधे जय श्री राधे जय श्री राधे जय श्री राधे जय श्री राधे त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवं असतो मा सद्गमयं तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमयं मृत्योर्मामृतं गमयं सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयम् सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम। Please be seated and bow your heads. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara
गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। प्रेम स्वरूप वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की, सनातन धर्म की, सनातन धर्म की, सनातन धर्म की। ग्रंथराज